Guess what I have here with me today? A Hello Kitty mystery snack box. I got it from the what is this? The World Market, I think. But this was $39.99. First things first. Ooh, there's a lot. This is a good amount. I think this is worth it for like about 40 bucks. There's a lot. First thing is first. Let's see. Puffle? Super spicy tasted corn snack. Okay, so it's spicy? How spicy? It's a puff. Ooh, that's good. Ooh, that is kind of spicy. But it's not bad. Cheese are rare. Is that how you say it? Cheese are rare. That one is good. It's like hot Cheeto puffs. Let's see this one. Cheese are rare. This reminds me of those Filipino snacks. What's it called? It's a Clover. That's what it reminds me of. Next, we'll go through this fast. Ooh, this one's like a pizza one. I love pizza, so let's see how this tastes. Oh, it's a puff. Okay. Very similar to those chips that are puffs that taste like pizza. Here we have barbecue chips. So that's what that one looks like. Hello Kitty barbecue. So far, these snacks are pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, let's see what this one is like. Ooh, okay, it's like little sticks. That one is really good. It's sweet and flavorful. Wow. I like that one. So next we'll try candy. So this one's Hello Kitty strawberry chewy candy. So let's see how that one tastes. Okay, let's see. Okay, looks like that. Is it squishy? It's not squishy, but it's not like very hard. So that's what it looks like. Let's try it. Wow. It's like a very dense marshmallow. That's really good. Like, it's not chewy like gummy. It's not hard, but it's like a chewy hard marshmallow, if that makes sense. But this is really good. These snacks are actually pretty good. I'm impressed. Oh, this one is Hello Kitty milk soft candy. So that's what that one looks like. Also, I'm wearing the my Melody shirt I got from Hot Topic. But let me just try this. To be sponsored by Sanrio. A dream. Okay, this one is milk soft candy, so that's what that one looks like. The flavor is good, but something's it's tasting artificial. That one is okay. I like the strawberry one better. Next, let's try the wafer cookies. This one's chocolate flavored. Perfect, because I love chocolate. And, ooh, how cute. Even the plastic has Hello Kitty on it. I'm pretty sure it's just gonna be like a chocolate wafer. That's good. It's more like a dark chocolate wafer. Pretty good. Pretty good. There's other little ones like these. It's like a little cookie. There's two of them. I think they're the same. Yeah. So I'm gonna open one. So this is what that looks like. And this is what the cookie looks like. Okay. It's not like sweet, it's more buttery. Buttery and sugary. Pretty good, pretty good. Okay, this one is like Yan Yan. Chocolate and strawberry. So, I mean, I know what this tastes like. I'm pretty sure it's the same. I haven't had these in a minute though. So you get the chocolate, the sticks on the other side, dip it. And I do double dip these because I need more chocolate. Strawberry. So yeah, that's this one and that one. That's what the strawberry looks like. Dip it. Yeah. It's no different than the others. So it's nothing new. Nothing new. This one, I'm like, what is this? It says Long Chi. That's what that looks like. You know what? I have scissors. Oh. Okay, so that's what that looks like. I feel like it's gonna give Laffy Taffy. Okay, that first initial, like, no. But it's decent. If it still tastes like that first bite, no way. It's like blue bubblegum. It's like blue toothpaste bubblegum. But that first initial bite, it's like plastic. That's the flavor. Next. What is this? Yeah. Don't know what that is, but we'll open it and see what's in here. Oh, what is this? It's like, what is that? Is this corn? Is this corn flavored candy? Is there filling in this? What is this? It's marshmallow. I think this is chocolate filling. But the outside is, oh, it's banana. Interesting. I'm not really a fan of banana flavored things, so I'm just gonna set this down. The candies, I'm not a big fan of. Now what is this? Oh, it's like one of those, you know, those sticky, slimy hand thingies. Is this Coke flavored? I have no idea. I have no idea. What is this? What is it telling me to do? Just tell me to rip it. Oh, it's telling me, oh, okay. To peel it. That's it. I'm just gonna take a bite out of that piece. Oh, it's Coke flavored. It smells like Coke. So I'm gonna take it out. It's like sticky. It's literally like that toy that you stick on things, but this one you can actually eat. So let's see. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's really sticky. So it's hard to get out the plastic container. Okay, well, I got a little I got a little booger. Okay. Yeah, Coke flavored. That one's okay as well. It's not like, nothing like, oh, nothing like that. Okay, so now what's left are the drinks. Oh, how cute. We have the little sodas. So this one is it strawberry? We got strawberry. That's what she looks like. And then this one is, it doesn't say the flavor, so I feel like this is just like the regular. I haven't done this in a minute, so I'm like, do I remember how to open it? Do I remember how to open it? So just peel this. Oh, you take this and you just push this down. Push it down. Oh shoot, oh my gosh. Right? Or am I doing this wrong? I forgot how to do these. Bruh, am I tripping or what? Oh my gosh. Am I doing this wrong? Oh, I am doing this right. But oh my gosh. Okay, I'm back. I just had to look up a little tutorial on TikTok because I totally forgot how this works. So let me just pretend that everything, yeah, so you just pretty much pop this off. So just disregard everything that just happened and pretend I knew. So take that off. There we go. So that way you just push this on the marble. Marble. Okay, so now you have it in the center. Push. Now we're just gonna no, bruh. Wait a second. Oh my gosh, hold on. Why is this hard? There we go. Oh shoot. Oh dang. Oh gosh, okay. There we go. There she is. Finally. Alright. So there's the ball. There she is. It's like a lava lamp or something. You hear that? Do you hear the sizzle? Okay, cute. Now let me try. That one's good. That one's good. All right, here we go. Part 2. Oh, bro. I'm really like trying here. Hold on. 1, 2. No. Why is this so hard? Let me put it on the floor. Oh shoot. Okay. Whew. There's this one. This one doesn't seem as carbonated. But that's what that looks like. Let's see. Thank you very much. Are you serious? I don't want to burn my eye. Oh my gosh. Like, seriously? Seriously? Are you kidding me? Right now. Yeah, this one's just like the... This one doesn't have a flavor, but it's good. Cheers. Yeah, that is all. I will say I like the snacks way better than the candy. Oh my gosh. My hair's like wet. Gosh, jeez. Louise, wow. But I will say this was worth it. It was fun to try. Will I get it again? No, I think I'll just get the snacks separately. The candies, the drinks are cool. You know, the snacks. I think my favorite, this one was really good. Like these, this one's really good. This one too. This one, like the chips, really good. And then like the wafers and stuff like that, they're good, but they're like, you can get them anywhere, you know, different brands. I mean, the chips too. This one was okay. I think out of all the candies, this one was probably the best. This was a fun mystery snack box to open. So if you watched it all the way till the end, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.